Today we will be going over how to assign assistant principals to evaluate specific teachers. There are two options on how a principal or assistant principal can select teachers for evaluation. For the default option, EduGens will show all teachers in the selected campus for principals and assistant principals to evaluate. For the alternative option, a principal can go in and assign teachers for an assistant principal to evaluate, and they can only see those teachers, but the principal can see all the teachers on the campus. Your district has already decided which option you will use this year. Today we will explore the alternative option. To get to the page, click on the apps in the top right corner and choose evaluation. When the evaluation page opens, select the assignment tab in the left-hand sidebar. Next, select the module, which in this case is T-TESS, and then select the campus. You will only be able to see your campus in this dropdown. If you want to see the assignments that have already been done, you can search by evaluator. In this case, there are no teachers assigned to be evaluated by Assistant Principal Munoz. So what I will do is create a new assignment by clicking the New Assignment button, and then just follow the steps. For the first step, I will select T-TESS, and the second step, I will enter the name of the assistant principal. For this example, I will choose Cheryl Munoz and click Select. After selecting the assistant principal, select the teachers that you want to assign to the evaluator. Remember that your campus will be the only campus present in this dropdown. If I want a teacher to have an alternate appraisal, I will check the box to the right of their name, then click Save. Now, when we search for the evaluator, the three teachers that she must evaluate are present. If I make a mistake assigning a teacher to a specific assistant principal, I can click Remove. Now I will go over assigning an evaluator to assess other professionals. These can refer to any staff that is not a teacher. This includes campus support, campus administrators, etc. Now I will repeat the new assignment steps, but choose professional evaluation instead of T-TESS. When you are assigning staff to be evaluated, they must have a staff ID. When finished with choosing the staff, click Save. After saving, we will choose the position or positions that the evaluations are based on. For Jetta Allen, I will choose bus driver. For Christine Beck, I will choose nurse evaluation and diagnostician. And for Kyla Bennett, I will choose paraprofessional and instructional coach. Now that I've chosen these roles that they are going to be evaluated on, the assistant principal knows what forms to complete. To look at each professional evaluation, choose the Professional Evaluations tab on the left-hand sidebar. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on assigning assistant principals to evaluate specific teachers. Thanks and happy teaching.